Did you know you can use Alipay to unlock shared bikes in China? Let's see how it works.
Step 1. Open the Alipay app on your phone. Once you're on the homepage, look for the More option and tap on it. Step 2. Scroll down to the Travel and Transport section and select the Bike Sharing or Scan to Ride option. Step 3. Tap the Scan button in the Alipay Bike Sharing feature and use your phone to scan the QR code on the bike. Step 4. Once scanned, Alipay will unlock the bike automatically. You'll hear a clicking sound, indicating the lock is open. Step 5.
After you've finished using the bike, manually lock it.
You will receive a notification or see a pop-up within the app confirming the end of your ride and the total fee. Check the fee breakdown on the screen. Alipay will show the duration of your ride and the corresponding charge dot. The fee will be automatically deducted from your Alipay balance or linked payment method. For example, bank card, wallet balance, or credit line. Always ensure the payment is made to avoid additional charges or penalties. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next adventure. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels!